Up on one.
Nice. Oh, oh, he's got one on the hand line over there. Oh, you got a catfish, huh? Oh, that's beautiful. Nice catfish.
Catfish. Let's get some fish. Oh, look better.
Double hook up.
Oh, there you go. Nice. Woo. My first Australian barra. Oh, nice mess of fish. Nice.
410.
Oh, there you go. Oh, not a bad fish.
There you go.
Look at that. Oh, that's a big one.
There you go.
Perfect. Good work, Luke.
Yep. There we go.
Freshwater Barramundi caught on the Glide River, Arafura Swamp.
Oh, beautiful fish.
Beautiful. About 8 kilos, a little bit heavier.
Look at the big old mouth on him.
Yep.
Oh.
All right, yeah. But I got drifting.
Oh, there we go. Number 3. Nice. Look at that. Nice fish. Really nice. It was fun.